So I had bought this trampoline for my kids with Forex money, right? So I decided to come out here and jump on it. But look, I do got something I gotta show y'all that's gonna help y'all pockets today though. So hold on. I'm gonna show you how to get money every day. I'm talking about we getting stimulus package checks every day, baby. So let's get into the video.
The Wealthy Empire Network.
What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, live and direct with another valuable video for you. Look, I probably should have a mask on because Rona be tripping, but your boy in my backyard, so I think I'm good, right? All right, yo, look, so this is the thing, bro. I've been testing this thing, right? This one little strategy, and I've been eating off of it. So you know when I eat off of it, I gotta come bring it to y'all. But before we even get into this video, make sure you thumbs this video up, all right, for the YouTube algorithm. Also drop your cash apps, Bitcoins, all that stuff below. When I get paid from YouTube or Forex, I usually withdraw it or whatever, give it back to y'all. That's just kind of how I go. But real quick, before we even get into the whole video, y'all, check this out. I got a couple videos to show you. I got a video where I'm about to show you right now where I was eating on the 15-minute chart using the alligator from last video. That alligator beast I told you. See, I let it cross right here. Waited for that retest right here on this candle. Hop back in. Boom. Rolled it all the way up to here. And like I said, I don't got to get out until it cross back over. And the lot size I'm using is a standard lot. Just one standard on both of those. And then the leverage is 1 to 1,000. So it's lit. But yeah, man. Y'all see them profits. Let's go. Y'all saw that? Crazy, right? Easy. But that ain't even it. Now I'm about to show y'all when I took a trade on Friday and I caught a little bit of NFP, but it didn't really do as what I thought it was gonna do, but I did make money off of it, so I'm gonna show y'all that. Oh, let's go. I caught it. NFP, I caught him. Take my money. And so yeah, we all getting money, man. That's just what it's all about. That's how we doing it. That's how we rocking. You know what I'm saying? People in the group is eating off the signal we call today. I mean, it's just a good day today, y'all. So I know y'all waiting on it. So let's go ahead, hop in this strategy so I can show y'all how to get this bread. Yo, what's up? We all the way live, baby. It's time to get this money. So I wanted to show y'all this. And I know you're probably looking at that balance like, what happened to the bread? You already know what happened to the bread. I withdrew my money. I be telling you, I get y'all money up out of there, right? I done compounded it enough, build it up pretty good. I said, let me take my money up out of here. All right, but check this out. So you can always right click on your chart, buy stop and sell stop. This is the dopest stuff ever. Watch this, y'all. Check this out. All right, so look. You click on market execution, you click pending order. Pending orders are dope because they don't actually put you in a trade until it hits a certain point. So it's dope, so you ain't gotta really it kind of removes the jitters out, all right? So a lot of y'all see these and y'all confused, all right? So let me go over this. A sell stop is when you believe the market is gonna continue to go in a sell position, all right? So let's say, I'm gonna use this for an example. Let's say the market was about right here. All right, and I put a sell stop order right here. And if the market kept coming down and hit my order and kept dropping, I would be in profit because I hit a sell stop. I'm saying the market is going to continue in the sell position. Y'all got that? A buy stop is if you believe the market is going to continue in a upward position. So another example, let's say the market came to this candle and it started coming up. You put a buy stop right here saying if the market does pass this level and keeps going up, I'm in profit. So it'll shoot up past yours, open your order up, you'll be in profit. If it keeps going, you can just close your profits out. Quick scalps, easy, right? So let me give you kind of a live example of how it works, because I know some of you be very confused. I know how y'all get. All right, so let me do a I don't know, what is the market doing right now? I'm gonna do a sell stop right now, and I'm just gonna do it right at the price. Place. All right, so I place my sell stop, and if it shoots down, it'll put me in the trade. You see, just put me in the trade. If the market drops down a little bit here, I'll be in profit that quick. Now, if you had a bigger account, right, then you know your profits will be a lot bigger. This is just on a 0.10 lot. And if it does decide to shoot down, I put a sell stop because I said I believe that the market is going to continue to shoot down in this direction, right? If it does that, we make money. If it doesn't, we lose money. All right, this is kind of how it goes. And you can always click this, drag your stop loss, right? You can always click here to drag down for your take profit. If you want to do that, completely up to you. It's almost in profit, so if it shoots down a little more, we'll see. All right, so that's how you do a sell stop. Now, let's say I wanted to do a buy stop as well. All right, so I can come here, go to trading, just click buy stop. It'll place it way up here. Now, the dopest thing about this is you can always move it and adjust it to where you want to, you know, and things like that. So a buy stop right here is saying if the market decides to shoot up here, it's gonna break through, and if it passes this level, I'll be in profit. All right, so if I drag this down very close to the end of it, now I can say if the market decides to shoot up here past this point, then it's gonna put me in the trade and I'll be in profit. You guys see how that works? And so you can drag this as low as you want, you know, as high as you want. If you want, you know, it just really depends. So a lot of the times what I'll do is, and hopefully that didn't confuse y'all. See, it's already in profit. I'll take my little 90 cent. I'm gonna take my 90 cent. Y'all saw that on camera live, right? Easy. Now imagine if that was a standard lot, we would have been doing numbers, all right? So I'm gonna exit this one out and I'm gonna show you kind of what I do, guys. This is kind of my method on what I do, and I'm gonna show you something really dope about this. All right, so I usually do support and resistance. If you don't know what support and resistance is, you need to learn it. It'll save your life. This is how I called the signal earlier today. All right, so support and resistance is bouncing from the floor to the ceiling. All right, so all you gotta do, y'all, is find points that touch in the same area. You see this candle and this candle, they touch in the same area. This one and this one, they kind of touching in the same area. So that means this is a resistance zone, meaning that it tries to bounce up and come here, but it get resisted, rejected, and it keeps coming back down. All right, right here, another zone. Bounce down, tried to come through, close back up here, been testing this zone. So this is support. So we know, okay, it's gonna bounce from the floor to the ceiling, right? So this is how I got my support and resistance. Now, usually when I'm doing buy stops on stuff like support and resistance, this is how I do mine. Completely up to you how you do yours, but I'm gonna just show you how I do mine. All right, so if I place a buy stop, which I don't know why I didn't place buy stop, there you go, boom. I usually drag it above my resistance line. So saying if the market decides to break through my resistance line and continue up, like I can place it directly on it or however I want to. So it's saying if the market breaks through my resistance and hits this point, it's gonna open me up in the trade, and then I'll be in the trade, just like that. All right, so same thing here. If I would have stayed in that sell position, that sell stop, I would have already been in some pretty good profits. You can see it drop down here. But the reason why these are so good is because they don't put you, I mean, you're not in a trade like instantly. It kind of, you have to wait till it hits a certain point. And so a good way to always be able to catch like what they call NFP is to do this. This is a good way to catch NFP, guys. This is genius and it's lit. Check this out. Just put in both. This is what you do. All right, so I go to pending order. Let's say you want to catch NFP on a certain. You place a buy stop. All right, and you put in whatever price they're gonna give you. Wait, let me just do it like this. I'm gonna right click. I'm gonna just click here, buy stop right here. Boom, I'll hit buy stop here. Then I will have to come, since it's in a sell position, I will have to come here and do a pending order and do a sell stop. Boom, then I'll pick whatever price I want it to go in at. I really don't want it to enter me in the trade, so let me hurry up and move it. Boom. All right, so let's say now for NFP, let's say, you know, the market, now you're pretty much in a predicament where you got the market cornered. No matter which way it goes, you're gonna make money. You get what I'm saying? So, and you can always move these. You can always adjust these to where you want it to be at, right? So now you can say, okay, if the market decides to shoot down past this, it's gonna bring me in a trade, I'll be in profit. If the market doesn't decide to do that and it decides to shoot up, I'm gonna be in profit. So either way, you can be in profit. You know what I'm saying? This is kind of how this works. This is how you can corner the market, like with NFP and those big breakouts. Just set your buy stops and you know, your sell stops. And if it goes either way, we in profit. But the best thing about it is it's not gonna put you in the trade until it hits these, you know, positions. And like I said, you can always adjust these. You can bring this down. Let me click on it. You just click it and drag it down. So I can say, if it hits this point, it's gonna open me in a trade on a buy. If it shoots back up here and passes this point, open me up on a buy, and I can adjust this and move it closer if I want to. If it hits this point, it's gonna sell. Simple as that, guys. That's how you do it. Now, so those are buy stops and sell stops. All right. Hopefully that didn't confuse you. This is lit. This is how you can pretty much guarantee money. I don't want to say guarantee because you can't guarantee nothing in Forex, but I'm going to just say like that. All right. You ain't get that from me. You ain't heard that from me. All right. So the sell limit, same thing, guys. But the sell limit is when you say, you know, the market, let's say the market was in a buy position and you say if it hits this point, then I want to sell. All right. So let me see if I could do a sell limit. All right. Bingo. So you could do these the same way, exact same way. And so let's say the market shoots up here and I want to catch a retracement. The market shoots up here, boom, hits me in on the sell limit and it retraces. I'm in profit, right? Because I did a sell limit. Bingo. Same way with the buy limit. All right, trading, go here to new order, pending, and then I go to sell limit, right? Oh, I already did sell limit. I mean a buy limit, my bad, y'all. Boom. And I put in whatever price, boom. So I can say, you know, I could put in pretty much my buy limits or wherever, however I want to do it. But I can say if it hits this point, it's gonna add me in on a buy limit, and then we good, right? So now it just put me in on a buy. It's retracing, so it should have been a sell limit, but I know it's gonna put me in that fast. It should have been this one would have been a sell limit though, because I would have caught that retracement. As soon as it put me in, it would have retraced. I'd have been in profit. But now it has to shoot up past it, you know, and then I'll be in profit. But that's kind of how this thing works, guys. Hopefully that didn't confuse you. Like I said, it's starting to shoot now, but let me move this one out the way. Let me move this one out the way. But that's how you do buy stop, sell stop, buy limits, and sell limits. So hopefully that didn't confuse you. If it did, just keep watching it over and over. There's also a chart that I'll be having. There's also a chart that I'll be having on the screen to kind of give you an indication on what to do. But like I said, hopefully that video helps you. Go eat. You can corner the market pretty much any way. Get in. It's really good for quick scalps. It's really good. I'm gonna exit out of that with a little loss because I wasn't trying to do that anyway. But yeah, you can pretty much corner the market however you want to. You can make money pretty much either way it go. Like either way it's gonna go up or down, you're gonna make money, and that's kind of how you can corner the market like that. But other than that, guys, go run up a bag, man. Go get this money in this trying time. Everybody, you know, having a hard time. I just hope and pray I get this money, and I will see you guys in another video. Peace.